Hello Sierra farmers. So today we will talk about homemade medicated fish feeds and storage of medicated feed. After watching this video, please I want to subscribe to this channel and God bless you. As the popularity of catfish increased, the availability of commercially prepared medicated feeds improved. It is much easier to feed a prepared medication by following label instructions than to mix your own feed. If medicated feed is not readily available in your area, it may be advisable to special order a few bags to keep on hand. Delivery of feed may take several weeks. Once a bacterial disease is in progress, medicated feed should be used immediately. It is possible under emergency circumstances to mix your own feed in small quantities if the commercially prepared diet is not available. Terramycin premix may be purchased as a soluble powder, which is available at many Stockman supply stores. A 6.4-ounce packet should contain 10 grams of oxytetracycline, but check the label to be sure. One 6.4-ounce packet contains 50 level teaspoons of premix. Each teaspoon, therefore, should contain 200 milligrams of active oxytetracycline. Get Sierra Farm Fishery ebook in the description and comments section. This ebook talk how to formula and produce fish feed in large quantities with minimum cost of production. If fish eat 3% of their body weight per day, each pound of feed should contain 1 gram of drug, 5 teaspoons. Vegetable oil or fish oil work well as binders. The oil, feed, and powdered premix should be thoroughly mixed to assure even distribution of the drug to all pellets. 2. Coat the pellets properly, mix the powdered premix with the oil, and then add this mixture to the feed. This mixture should be made daily immediately before feeding. This is an expensive, time-consuming, and laborious process and is practical only in emergency situations. Romet is available in a form called Romet B. This product has easy-to-follow directions for mixing the premix with the feed. Again, binding agents like fish oil or vegetable oil can be used. A disadvantage of Romet B is that it is only sold in 10 pounds canisters, which are too expensive to be practical for use by small farmers. Get Sierra Farm Fishery ebook in the description and comments section. This ebook talk how to formula and produce fish feed in large quantities with minimum cost of production. Storage of medicated feed. As with all fish food, store medicated feed in a cool, dry place.